What do dolls, mattresses, chickens, farts, lawyers, and Danie Minogue have in common? Nothing, but they're all in this episode of...
They Did What? On television?
Hi, my name's Danie Tregonning, and this is They Did What on Television, a reaction channel where I basically react to strange things that have happened on television. Why? Because I was born into the television industry. If this is your kind of thing, you can subscribe. But if you've got things that you would like me to react to, you can head to the Jotform link in the description below. First video of the episode is from Dannii. Hello, Dannii. Dannii comes to us from Wollongong. The comments. Been looking for some old commercials from Wollongong to send in. I haven't found any as yet. But please enjoy this 1988 big budget blockbuster. I found that aired on Sydney's 10 instead. I'm just looking at the screen and going, big budget, you say? All right, Dannii, here we go.
Hey!
What on earth?
Play an instrument.
But which one?
How about guitar?
Too grungy.
How about keyboards?
Too common. How about drums?
Oh my god!
Too sweaty. Ah, bass! Let's go to the bass player right now.
You've come to the right place. We have everything from your first bass pack to professional rigs, and we even offer lessons at our own bass institute. The Bass Player, the only shop you'll ever need.
Oh my god. That was actually quite frightening, Dannii. The strange thing is, like, you can go on TikTok now and, like, put your mouth on things. So this was cutting edge for 1998. Did this work for them? Because, like, I think I'd be put off. I've never played bass in my life, but this would stop me from starting. Thank you, Dannii. We seem to have a running theme because Dannii has sent me another thing about mattresses.
What's she trying to tell us?
I don't know. Okay. You talk about weird country ads. As a kid, I'd tune into the fancy city stations and watch the weird ads and then wonder why I'd have nightmares about giant anthropomorphic mattresses. What? Ads for this company that still operates today. Oh, they didn't go out of business. That's good. Aired on Sydney's Channel 7 throughout the 90s. Okay, this ad apparently aired in 1991. I'm concerned. All right, here we go.
Hello, I'm Mr. Yawn. I've got something special to tell you. Our family business stock everything the 10 major manufacturers make. We have single mattresses from $89 to something really special. This car bed, isn't she beautiful?
Oh,
Our double
no.
ensemble start from $329, and we finish with free delivery anywhere in the metropolitan area. Oh, how exhausting. Mr. Yawn's Mattress Factory, 443 Gardens Road, Rosebery. Phone 667 1482.
I enjoy horror films, you know that.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That was part of the conditions of getting into the relationship with me, that I love horror films. Did they take any kind of inspiration from David Lynch? Because that's the kind of weird stuff that he would do. I think it's the of the mattress that scares me the most. Oh my god. Dannii. I don't know what else to say. about that. I'm scared about going to bed tonight now, though. What if the mattress has a big mouth in it? Could swallow me up. Oh my God! It's like Nightmare on Elm Street.
Oh.
Death by mattress.
As long as your name isn't Johnny Depp, you should be okay.
I'm pretty sure my name is not Johnny Depp. Last time I checked. Reese has returned to the channel. Hello, Reese. Reese is up in Brisbane. Reese, if anything's ever happened on television, Reese knows about it. And you can see all of their exploits here at archive.org. I'm spinning out already and I haven't even press play yet. Channel 9 Brisbane. I love that we've always got a date for these. Thank you, Reese. This was on the 9th of July, 1991. I'm obsessed with the line delivery of the woman at the beginning. Alright. I'm game. Let's go.
People who love chicken love Sizzler.
I'm a chicken freak. I love my chicken. And Sizzler chicken is always so tender and juicy. Like their pick a chicken lunch. A choice of lemon herb chicken marinated in herbs and lemon. Or hibachi chicken with a tangy sauce. Or lightly spiced Santa Fe chicken. Choose whichever chicken you like for just one low price. Who gives you the best choice of chicken?
I'm a chicken freak.
All she needs is some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
The census taker came to test her. Wow. Sizzler was such a thing, though. Like, I'm sure I had a couple of birthdays at Sizzler. I don't eat chicken anymore, but I gotta say, those chickens look pretty good. I would never class myself as a chicken freak, though.
Chicken freak,
chicken freak. She's just a chicken freak. Again, I'm not gonna yuck anybody's yum, really. Thank you, Reese. Well, it's finally happened. My father has submitted a video. This is from Murray in Sydney, and this was from Pete Smith. Yep. They're all learning about the channel now, which is kind of scaring me a little bit. But thank you, Pete Smith and Danie Tregonning. This is an ad for Italian sparkling water. Oh, Dad. Okay. It's nice ass. Naturally effervescent. I'm never having sparkling water again now that I know where it comes from. Oh my God, Father. Look. It's on brand for you, as you made yourself known for fart noises. So I'm pretty impressed. You know what, Dad? You and Pete Smith can send me other weird things. Please and thank you. Oh God, sparkling water. The next video is from Greg. Hi, Greg! You can follow Greg here. Greg is from, well, currently in New York State, but from Pennsylvania. And this is from Pittsburgh Community Television. That's all I get to know about it.
And it's all you need to know.
Oh, okay. Jesus Christ. Here we go.
And fishmen in sight, twins with power, they're here to fight. Lawyers who defend you day and night.
Oh, I must feel like I need a lighter.
Not your wallet, that's right. Roots of justice, they step inside, fighting for truth, their hearts open wide. Shenderova's voice so strong.
I'm trying so hard not to love this, but I really do. Oh my god, it's the graphics though. It's the graphics, it's the song, it's the really bad wig. Oh, the giant heads. Oh my god, he's in the moon! If you ever wonder where money goes to when you employ a lawyer, it's to get a rocket or to make adverts like this. Wow! Oh, I have so many words but none at the same time. You want to know the most awful thing?
What?
I need to watch that again later. That was cinematic. Wow. Thank you, Greg. If I ever need a lawyer, I'll let him know. The last video for the episode is from Chris. Chris is from Berwick. Chris really trolled me in the last episode, so this apparently is like a big deal on the internet because every few years it appears and then it disappears. And then it comes back again. So when it comes back, everyone has to share it as widely as they can.
It's such bad taste. I can understand why it gets removed.
This is a cover of Hakuna Matata, performed by Australian pop star Danie Minogue, as part of Danie Minogue on Safari. A special program which aired on BBC One on Thursday, December 28th, 1995. This has been doing the rounds, actually. I have a feeling this may have actually made it to Oz Kitsch's Coldest 100 this year as well. Now I get to watch the whole thing in full. Thank you so much, Chris.
Although the people are different, it's a very peaceful country with a very relaxed atmosphere, which is perfectly summed up by the Swahili phrase Hakuna Matata, which means no worries.
Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing grades. Means no worries for the rest of your days.
Kids' faces is just me. Because it's like... Really? Oh, the kids look so unimpressed. Oh no. It's like, look at this crazed white lady. Oh, this is so bad taste, isn't it? Oh no. What possessed you, Dannii? Those kids don't even really want to dance with you either, because they know this is naff. Oh. Chris. Oh my god, I thought it was over. It's not. There's more of it. She's basically dragging those children along with her because they're just like, go away. Oh no. This is so cringe. I did have a look on Reddit and apparently this raised a lot of money, but still. Oh, I just want to jump out of my skin. Oh God, let it be over! Every muscle in my body is tense. Oh God, it's got to be ending soon, surely. Oh, come on, please. Please end or end me. One or the other. Oh God. Yes, lead the children into the field. Oh God, is it done? Oh my God, it's done! Ew! Oh, Christian! Oh, I never call you by your full name, but I swear to God. That is the first and only time I've watched that all the way through. I think it's time for it to be erased from the internet again. Oh, it's all right. I don't spell my name the same way, so it's okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. I need a brain bleach. This episode has been a bit frightening. Actually, I'm a bit scared to go to sleep. Well, I never want to eat chicken again. And, Dannii Minogue, I'm never going to look at you the same way. But, hey, singing lawyers. It's all good. Well, if you like this kind of thing, please send me a video by heading to the Jotform link in the description below. You can also find the full videos of this, so you can watch Dannii Minogue at your leisure. I don't recommend it. Yes. Well, I've been Danie Tregonning. These are my socials. And I think we've out-weirded ourselves now.